quick update before the review. We actually want to start owner's review, reviewing your own car on our channel. So we actually need your help. And we want to make this global tour, but why don't we start from Korea first? I'll leave my email below here, so let me know a little bit about your car and also let me know your contact number if you're interested. Okay guys, now let's get back to the review. Hello, welcome to Asian Petrol. Today we have a gravity blue all-new Kia Optima. It also has a solar roof on the top because it's actually a hybrid model. We also test drove all-new Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. So today let's compare both drivability and also fuel efficiency of this all-new Kia Optima Hybrid against Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. And if you do love cars and also car reviews, please do support us by subscribing to our channel and also hit the bell notification so you don't miss out in the future. Thank you guys, and let's get started. So it's got two solar panels on the top, and no, you cannot get both panoramic sunroof and solar roof at the same time. You have to just choose one, and Kia is going to charge you about $90 more for the solar roof compared to panoramic sunroof. If you do choose the solar roof, it'll give you additional 800 miles of driving every year, assuming that you leave your car outside 6 hours a day for charging. So guys, let me know whether you think it's worth it or not in the comment section. The front design looks very similar to any other Optimus, but there are a few major differences. Can you guess what they are? Well, first of all, grille design has changed from the shark skin pattern to a trapezoid looking pattern in the middle, and also lower bumper design has changed a little bit, and I think it looks a little bit cleaner, so let me know in the comment section. And probably due to aerodynamic reasons, now the air curtains are a little bit smaller than the other Optimas. Alright, just like Hyundai Sonata, Kia Optima is sold with 4 different engine choices here in Korea, and my personal favorite for the Sonata was the hybrid powertrain. That is why I look very forward to be driving this car today. So there's a 2-liter gasoline engine which puts out about 152 horsepower, and it also gets a help from 38 kilowatts electric motor, so the total system output comes out to be about 195 horsepower. Engine is not mated to CVT but 6-speed automatic, nice, and it's still front wheel driven. Now let me show you how fast Kia Optima Hybrid can be. It took Kia Optima Hybrid about 8.2 seconds to hit 60 miles per hour. It's a little bit slower compared to Hyundai Sonata Hybrid, but I still love this hybrid powertrain. It's very smooth and love that instant torque coming from the electric motor, giving a nice assist. Very nice. Let me just show you the second row seats. I just want to make sure there's no headroom being sacrificed by the solar roof on the top. You guys all know I'm about 6'2", and you know, there's a good amount of leg room and headroom. I think it seems to be about the same. Surprisingly, there's a good amount of headroom even for me. There's 2-stage heated seats. Window comes down about this much, and manual but sunshade for the side, so that's pretty nice. We also have air vents for the second row passengers, 1 fast USB charging port, 1 12-volt charging, and good armrest with 2 cup holders. And like I said, there is no panoramic sunroof for this car because this guy has a solar roof on the top. Okay guys? It looks pretty much the same from the side except these 17-inch rims. You can choose up to 19-inch rims on the regular Optimus, but these looks pretty nice for a hybrid sedan, I should say. And our testers are wearing two 55 by 17 on front and back. And they're wearing Pirellis, pretty nice. And why don't we check out the braking performance of all new Kia Optima Hybrid. It took Kia Optima Hybrid about 139 feet to a complete stop. It took a little bit more time compared to Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. So I guess Hyundai Sonata Hybrid wins the day. Let me also show you the interior. It looks very similar to any Optimas. It still has the same 12.3-inch full digital gauge cluster and 10.25-inch infotainment screen. But because it's a hybrid, we also have an energy flow in the middle and eco power meter on the right side. And there's also a driver only button which shuts off all the air conditioning and heaters except for the driver's side, so it can stay more efficient. That's a very good idea. And there's also a wireless charging pad right here, air cleaning mode with micro air filter inside. And you can also share the digital keys with 3 of your friends, so including yourself, 4 people have access to it. And with the digital key you can open the car, start the car and drive the car. Okay, why don't we go out to the road with Kia Optima Hybrid. Okay, why don't we start with visibility. Just like Hyundai Sonata, all new Kia Optima is built up on all new 3rd generation platform. That's why it's got little windows near the A-pillar. In general, it's got big windows all around, so it's actually very pleasant to see out of. And the new platform also has multi-structure design, which is supposed to be more safe than before. Most of climate and media controls are made of touch-sensitive buttons, but it responds quickly and also makes sound, so it's not actually hard to use. But I'd rather personally like to see physical buttons and dials for the climate control system. So guys, let me know, what do you think about touch-sensitive buttons in the comment section? Yeah, not bad, but I've been telling you guys many times that I do love this hybrid powertrain, and let me tell you why I do love this powertrain so much. And when you're cruising down the road, it can solely drive on EV mode, just like this, which is very, very quiet and also relaxing. It's a very nice experience. And there's also regen braking. You can notice the regen braking, but it's not that annoying. Yeah, so they improved a lot on the actual feeling of the braking. It's pretty okay. And it's very quiet. It's dead silent in here, so it's very relaxing. And nowadays, most manufacturers do use engine start and stop function, which can bother you when engine kicks back in. But this hybrid powertrain has very, very smooth transition. Let me just show you. Engine on, engine off, engine on, engine off. So this powertrain is very quiet, smooth, and refined, and you cannot go wrong with all those things together. And power on. So you don't have to sacrifice much with this Optima Hybrid. Okay, why don't we check out the fuel efficiency of all new Kia Optima Hybrid. This Optima Hybrid returned over 40 miles per gallon in the city and over 50 miles per gallon on the highway. So it's very, very fuel efficient. And that's also another reason why I love this hybrid powertrain so much. It also makes me wonder how nicer the 1.6 liter based hybrid powertrain would be like, which will be featured on all new Kia Sorento, which is coming to us on this March. Okay, there are 4 drive modes. Why don't we put the car into sports and drive? Actually, not bad. Not bad at all. And you know, electric motors do have instant torque, so when you feel like passing somebody, you have enough power to do so. You see the electric motor is giving a very good support to 2-liter gasoline engine, and it's happening very seamlessly too. Very nice. An engine is mated to 6-speed automatic. We also have paddle shifters. So let me show you in action. 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3. So it feels a lot better than the CVT, and it's also shifting a lot quicker than its predecessor. So it's doing a very good job. Yeah. It also feels quite smooth too. Second, will it go into first? Wow, it even goes to first gear. Very interesting. And it's a hybrid. The battery is actually placed under the second row seat, so it should have better balance. I was going to show you guys how this car handles at the limits, but it actually snowed here in Korea a few days ago, and they put lots of calcium chloride on the road, and the road is actually very slippery. And I do want to continue making car reviews, so we're going to have to go a little bit slow today. Okay. But I really wanted to show you guys, but cannot do it today. Right now we're driving on the highway, and this Optima Hybrid feels very stable and also pretty quiet because we have double laminated windows for first row side windows, and we also have adaptive cruise control with lane keep assist. So as you can see, it can be very, very convenient, but for your own safety, always keep your hands on the steering wheel. And this Optima Hybrid feels very, very stable, even on very, very high speed. And it also got good brakes. So like I told you, you don't have to sacrifice much with this Optima Hybrid. It's overall very nice sedan, I think. Very nice. And we have a camera detector coming up, and it will slow down to 90 kilometers because we have a camera detector right up there. Do you see? And I don't know how it's legal, but once it passes the camera, which we did right now, it will speed back to the speed I told it to. So it's also a very convenient system. So I think Hyundai and Kia makes a very competitive driving aid system. Even on corners, it's steering itself. So, and now it's saying I should handle myself, which is, yeah, I should. Yep. It looks very similar to any other Optimas from the rear, and except this Eco Hybrid batch right here. Let me also show you the trunk. Like I told you, because the battery is placed under the second row seats, the size is very identical to any other Optimas, and because the second row does not fold, we're given a ski through, and we have some tools and a fix-a-flat kit right here on the bottom. Okay. Alright guys, today we had a chance to test drive all new Kia Optima Hybrid. So guys, let me know which one is your favorite Optima in the comment section. And if you do love cars and car reviews, please do support us by subscribing to our channel, and also hit the bell notification so you don't miss out in the future. Thank you guys, and see you soon. Okay, let me also show you voice recognition. 운전석 창문 열어줘. Unfortunately, it only works in Korean. 주요 뉴스 알려줘.
이 시각 주요 뉴스를
I just
알려줄게요.
told it to
국내에서
turn on the news.
28번째 신종
So
코로나
that's what
바이러스 감염증 확진 환자가 나왔습니다.
it's talking about
3번
corona.
환자의 진위로 췌장
And you know, it also has a very nice sound system by Corel. It's got lots of bass.
And we'll have some more health. 을 방문할 때는
And some of you say you really like
그
the
당시에
vacuum
이제
kind of
슈퍼
design.
언약식 그런데요. 본인만 드시는 게 아니라
So it's
저희가
pretty
감기
nice.
걸려도 생 양파를 통으로 주신답니다. 이 먹어.
So, and we also have a navigation map. It's actually a very nice system. You can pinch zoom in, out, and supports many things. So it's very nice. There's a 2-liter SmartStream gasoline engine which puts out about from the side looks very much like any other Optimas, except the 17-inch rims. You can choose up to 19-inch rims on regular Optimas, but these looks pretty nice for a hybrid model, I should say. And our testers wearing two 1550 by 5.7